What do you think? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, little buddy? Huh? What do you think? You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to me? Oh, you got the hiccups now, don't you? What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Uh-oh. 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 We got the hiccups, don't we? We might be able to burp again. Hmm? You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to people? You gonna talk to people? You gonna talk to people? You gonna smile? You gonna smile for me? You gonna smile for people? Yeah. Yeah. Come on, talk to me. You're trying to poopy, ain't you? After Pepaw just changed your diaper, you're trying to poopy now. Hmm? You gonna talk to me? You gonna smile for people? You gonna smile? Huh? You don't like them hiccups, do you? You like that swing? You like to swing? Sometimes he throws a fit until you put him in the swing. You put him in the swing and he instantly gets quiet. When I was strapping him in, he got all excited, kicking his hands and feet. He was so excited he knew he was getting put in the swing. Didn't you, buddy? Huh? Hi, Tucker. You feeling left out? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.